Alright, welcome back for another trade recap video. Okay, so I'm going to be going through AUD JPY today. So if you're not already part of the membership group, like I say in all these trade recap videos, okay, we are going to be looking to push the membership group. You can go to decisionofpower.com. You can click on join the troops, okay, and that's going to take you to the launch pass gateway in order to get into the group, right? So you put your payment details in here. It's $29.99 a month. You can cancel any time, all right? This gives you a little bit of an insight to what you can expect in the group. If you don't want to commit before looking at terms and conditions, you can join the you can click on the terms and conditions link here. That'll take you into the group, but you're not going to be able to see everything that's in there because you haven't been assigned a role at that point, right? So all you can see when you click this terms and conditions, you can just see things like terms and conditions, role responsibilities, FAQs and things like that, okay? But you're not going to be able to see the rest of the servers there, completely hidden from anyone that comes in the group via that link, right? So it's just a way to protect the information in there. If you're not part of the membership group, then you're going to be able to see our YouTube channel. We are growing slowly. We're about to hit 400 subscribers. But you're going to come across all the videos that are posted on YouTube, right? So all these ones here. Okay, we're currently going through a lot of trade recap videos, okay? You've got the trader development series, so the original one in there, you can have a look through that, okay? That is a series that I created when I first started the channel. Go through basic training and then follow the series through there, okay? It talks about our setup. There's also other videos in there for information, candle breakdown, stuff like that, FTMO journeys, okay, because we passed the FTMO challenge. We've got a few guys going through that right now. If you're not part of the membership, then you're not going to be able to see certain videos, all right? So if I go to our videos, okay, we'll just wait for this to load. Okay, so there's some videos that we've got in our videos then, so in our video series which are unlisted. So see all these unlisted ones here, unlisted, unlisted, unlisted. There's quite a few of them coming out now, especially the new trader development series. We're trying to use that for our members, right? So if you're not part of the membership group, you haven't got access to these videos. You're not going to be able to see them on the YouTube channel, right? They're completely invisible to people just visiting the channel itself. But if you do go to the membership group, okay, you then got your trader development series right here. These are where all those videos are being posted, okay? So you're going to be able to go in there, have a look what we're discussing and what we're teaching as part of our setup, right? So going to the trade that I'm going to be going through then. So this is me, one of my trades I took late on Friday, okay? I'm not really keen on Friday trades, but we had equal lows, run on stops, price rejection, structure inversion point here, okay? I missed this first entry. We had a rally away and we came back in for a second opportunity, right? So I'm going to talk about that quickly, okay? So let's go over to the charts. Okay, so on the charts then we had equal lows here. Okay, we had a run through the stops. So we had price rejection, break of structure at this point here. We had a retest here. Okay, running equal lows there again. Then this left another load level right there. Okay, so we were looking for a retest of that. That ran equal lows there, and then we moved away. Okay, so if I drop the drawings on the charts, that's what you're going to be able to see right now. Okay, so going into the AUD JPY on the New York session that I took on Friday, as you can see on the group, I did say that I was looking to take my profits off as we're approaching the end of the week. So at this point here, I originally was looking at targets here, but I also decided I wanted to move the target to this point here, right? So this was what I was hoping to get into. I left it about half hour after this just to see how much further the market would push, and then I was looking to close the position, right? But coming into Friday evening, I had a good indication that we weren't going to make it up to target, right? So if I go over to the chart then, this is the setup here. This was the target that I was looking at, you know, as a potential early target, and my original target was higher up. Okay, so if I go to a 5-minute chart, all right. So the 5-minute chart then. So this double structure retest that occurred here on this load level, missed that opportunity. Price rallied away. We had then a swing point here which was broken. Okay, so that became another structure inversion point. So if I just drop that on there. Okay, so that would have been a structure inversion point right there. Came back down. I was waiting for a reaction off here. We didn't get it. It came a bit deeper, so I went down onto a 1-minute chart. Okay, and on the 1-minute chart, we did find the load level it was looking to get into, right? And that was this load level right there. Okay, so my original stop went below the swing low here. Okay, so that was my stop. That was my entry point here. So that was on the bounce. It did come back in for a second tap to that before finally moving away. Right. So if I go back to a 5-minute chart, okay, and then 5-minute chart. In this consolidation here, this is what I was looking to close the position. Right? I was trying to see if we were going to get any more any more move up, but it didn't. Okay, and then I was looking to close the position, so I closed it on at this point here. Okay, so that there, so we did drop down, move back up, and had a feeling that we weren't going to make it in time, so I closed the position at this point with the original target up here. Right, so this isn't a trader development series video. I will be doing that video for the membership group. Okay, this is just a quick recap to let you know what we've been taking. But as you can see in the group, there's a lot of trades being taken now, all with the exact same setup we teach, right? So in this case here, you've got the equal lows, you've got the run on stops, you've got the structure, price breaker structure there, so structure inversion point. When you come back down into the retest of the load level, that's it. Took the profit at the equal highs, right? So, there's many examples of trades being taken here. Okay, so we had previously we had run on stops here, structure inversion point and equal highs, run through there, came back down into load level, and he took that long out. That was on a 4-hour chart. Okay, so multiple time frames, multiple currencies. We've got some people that are looking to do metals as well, so for gold and silver. But it's just happening over and over and over. Same again here. FX Pro came in, equal highs, run on stops, wait for the breaker structure. Okay, so low level price. Price rejection, breaker structure, come back up for the retest, took it to take out these lows here, right? So that's what he was looking at there. Now, over and over and over, same setup, same concept, same 4-rule plan. Everyone's really sticking to the trade plan. Here you go, 1 to 6 RR there. Let's have a look what we've got going through the group, right? So I know there's people in here, 1 to 2.5, still a good one. As long as you're taking consistent profits, it doesn't really matter. But we're getting people coming in like 6.5 to 1. Okay, so we're averaging around 5 or 6 to 1 RRs on our trades, right? But in some cases we are getting a bit more. I have had a couple of 8 and 10 to 1s as well, right? So if you want to join the group, like I said, head over to decisionandpower.com, join the troops. That's going to take you to the launch pass gateway, and you can join there. Okay, but if you decide that you look at the terms and conditions, decide it's not for you, you can leave, and there's no commitment there. Okay, so, and as I said, you can cancel any time. So if you come in for a month, decide it's not for you, or decide that you've learnt enough and you can move on consistently on your own, you can leave there. No long-term commitment, and you can just leave and go your own way. Right, so that is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.